That's about went.
See if I try to put 13s on 14s wheel again. These have been upstairs. Shouldn't. Yeah. Knock off his hammer?
Yeah.
Maybe?
Yeah. That hammer ain't big enough. You getting it?
Okay, try to get this out here slow first.
Itch.
Sorry.
We put slicky stuff on it.
Yeah.
What the heck? You ever seen anything like that?
I don't watch the stiff. I had
I don't
it
know,
up in the
man.
room where it was good and warm.
Where's that?
When that bar on the ground? Oh, that bar?
Yeah, you just hold that corner where it won't fall off.
This corner?
Any one of them. Either one, I'm on the wrong place.
I'm in those two.
What the shit? What the shit? Why is that so like? We put it on backwards?
No.
Yeah, we did.
Why?
That's supposed to be in first.
Yep. You're correct. That's what's so hard.
Yeah, if it gets down, I
I don't
get
know how
it.
we even get it.
I don't know either. Can you hold your knee down there?
Of course.
Okay. Damn. Did we do that backwards? Let's take it off
I
there.
don't think so.
Take it off, Ed.
Maybe. I don't think so.
You can't hardly do it like that.
No,
You know what I mean?
it moves too much.
Yeah. That tool's supposed to put it on. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Now you're wrong.
Now we'll get it on.
I don't think we did it back there. Looks like
It
we-
ain't.
That's how I always do it.
Yeah, that was stupid as shit. You can't hardly put it
It's
on.
easier on the ground.
Yeah, a lot easier on the ground.
Is that the one that came from Berry Hills? That bar?
This?
Yeah.
I don't know. What do you mean?
I don't know. Terry and them junked a couple of my bras. I took them a long time ago. I think I gave to you. I don't know if that's one of them or not.
Probably. Yeah, I ain't hurt your tire. I'm just
No, it
barely.
ain't hurt the tire at all.
I'm just barely putting pressure on that. Plus, it's slicky.
It's soft as my head. That's good. That's really like that lip. It'll bounce out. There.
We plugged the phone.
Plug the phone up. I'm gonna get it aired up.
Put that on the front. Put them on the